The Hand Surgery Basic Microsurgical Instrument Set is designed for precise and delicate procedures involving the hand, wrist, tendons, and peripheral nerves. Manufactured from high-grade surgical stainless steel, these micro-instruments provide excellent control, balance, and accuracy required for fine dissection and microsuturing. This essential set includes microscissors, needle holders, forceps, dissectors, and retractors, carefully selected for routine hand and microsurgical procedures. All instruments are autoclavable, corrosion-resistant, and supplied in a durable sterilization tray for safe organization, sterilization, and transport. Features: surgical-grade stainless steel micro-instruments. Fine tips for high-precision hand and microsurgery. Ergonomic, lightweight design for superior handling. Fully autoclavable and rust-resistant. Supplied with sterilization tray for clinical efficiency. Uses: hand surgery, microsurgery, tendon and nerve repair, orthopedic and plastic surgical procedures.